today's part 2. Come on. Look at the inside. That one looks old. Okay, and now let's see. Ooh, this one's cool.
Oh, it is cool.
Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. I know it's because
What do you think about this car?
cool.
Which one's your favorite?
The red one from part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. It's amazing.
The red one.
Yeah, the red one.
That one.
That one.
The Mustang.
Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you all guys later. And today and after this, tonight, maybe we're gonna make a DIY edible school supply. So if we make that video, go check it out. Bye.